This is the Malibu going off, huge sets. The pier's moving.
I can feel the pier swing.
You feel it swing?
Yeah, that's scary.
Dude, and there's like 4 or 5 more waves coming.
Oh,
This is Malibu at its finest.
dude, look at that.
Oh my god, look at the size of those waves.
Look at that one out back. Dude.
How do I zoom in, dude?
I can't, bro. Oh.
Oh my god, look at the size of that. Yeah, look at this. The whole pier's moving. Look at this wave coming towards the pier. The pier is moving because these waves are coming and hitting it. Look at the size of these waves. Yeah! Yeah! Look at the wave in the pier! Oh my gosh!
Dude, this guy on the inside is so bummed.
Look at him!
Oh man, this one is. Just look at this thing.
Look at the size of these waves.
It looks like it's
Oh my god, it looks like it's gonna hit us.
at the top of the pier.
Can you guys feel that shit?
It's like a...
This is amazing. Malibu going off the Richter. This is a wave hitting the pier. It does it no justice. The whole pier's moving. Yeah.
the sand and take
Straight up, man.
Corey Bott. Yeah.
Oh man.
Hello, so Malibu.